In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a stop loss on interactive brokers. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a basic stop order in Trader Workstation, or TWS, so you can define your risk and protect your positions with confidence. First, open Trader Workstation. Give it a moment to load your watch lists and market data. You'll know you're ready when the main trading panels are visible and your connection status looks good. TWS can feel feature-rich at first glance, but we're going to keep this simple and focused. Next, find the stock you want to protect with a stop. Use the search bar or your watch list to locate the exact ticker. Make sure you select the correct listing for the stock you intend to trade. Double-check the symbol and description so you're working with the right instrument, especially if there are multiple classes or similar names. Now click Sell. A stop loss for a long position is a sell order that will trigger if the market falls to your chosen level. You'll see an order entry line appear for that symbol. This line typically shows fields like action, quantity, order type, and price fields. We're concentrating on the order type and stop level in this walkthrough. In the order type field, select STP. STP stands for Stop Market. With a stop market order, once the market reaches your stop price, the order converts into a market order and seeks immediate execution at the best available price. This makes it straightforward and reliable in fast-moving conditions, though you should be aware that the actual fill can differ from your stop level during volatile moves or gaps. Enter the stop price. Choose a level that reflects your risk tolerance and the stock's recent behavior. Many traders place stops just beyond a recent swing low for a long position or slightly past a technical level, allowing normal price noise while still defining downside risk. Consider the average volatility and avoid round numbers that attract frequent tests. Keep in mind that stops typically trigger based on the last traded price. If the price touches or crosses your level, your order will activate. Finally, click Transmit. Your order will be sent and should appear in your orders panel with a status that shows it's working. Take a quick moment to confirm the details. Look right: the symbol, the sell action, the STP type, and the stop price you entered. That's it. You've set up a stop loss on interactive brokers using TWS. Open the platform, find your stock, click Sell, choose STP, enter your stop price, and transmit. Stay disciplined, review your levels periodically, and trade safe.